Hey guys, Apple just launched Apple 15 series just few months ago and we have already had a bunch of iPhone 16 remotes. But wait, today even those are beginning ones since we are talking about the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Yes, the 17 Pro Max and the device launched in 2025. According to Jeff Fu, an analyst who cover companies in a Apple supply chain, will we have a 48 megapixel telephoto camera with 10x optical zoom, which will somehow be optimized for using the upcoming Vision Pro handset. He does not mention any details about that optimization. The iPhone 16 Pro is already expected to come with a 48 megapixel ultra wide camera, and the iPhone 15 Pro model are already have a 48 megapixel main camera. So this means the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max may be the first in a Apple history to come with a triple 48 megapixel camera on the rear. So let's see what happened iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max series. And next year Apple going to be camera design change iPhone 16 series. Yeah, check this video to learn more about iPhone 16 series. Make sure hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this as always. Thanks for watching and I will be catch you next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.